Hello everyone. In my previous video, I was discussing about the doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. I will mention what actually the expert is about the doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. Already in my third video I have discussed about the expert, about the short story, about the author, what actually the expert is all about, what actually the message wants to convey R.K. Narayan through the doctor's word. The message is very clear, my dear reader. Whatever in doctor's word, R.K. Narayan, the most typical Indian writer, wants to convey the idea. In the critical situation of a critical patient, the medicine does not work miraculously for the life, but in the same case, in the same circumstance, the soothing words, the sweet words, the reassuring words of a renowned, of a reputed doctor works miraculously than the medicine. That is all about the message of the doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. Already I have talked about what actually the characteristic, the reputation of Dr. Raman, why people respected him, why people or patients valued his words, then what kind of doctor he was, did he respect by everyone, did he famous in the very locality. And finally in unit 2 you can find R.K. Narayan has given a very typical description, typical idea about the classic friendship between Dr. Raman and Mr. Gopal. Already I have told you in the video, in the previous video, that means they were very close to each other, they had known each other from their kindergarten days. Then how did Dr. Raman came to know about the illness of his dearest one? He is none other than one and only Mr. Gopal, and whenever he came to know about the illness of his dearest one, then what actually he did, in a lawly extension way, he just went to Gopal's house, and whenever he saw Gopal was in critical situation, then he was ready to take some immediate action, did some medical aid or medical treatment so that Gopal can get quick recovery. But it was very difficult task for Dr. Raman to bring a quick recovery of his dearest one. Then what actually he did, he said to the lady of the house, that means Dr. Raman said to Gopal's wife, now time for me especially to take some risk for the betterment of my dearest one. That means he said, now I will go to my clinic and after half an hour I will return. And whenever he returned from his clinic again to Gopal's home, then he said to the lady of the house, now I have to perform an operation for the betterment of my dearest one. Then Gopal's wife surprised, Gopal's wife shocked what actually Dr. Raman wanted to convey, because Gopal's wife seemed to say, another doctor who lives in the next street, he is taking all the responsibility and all the risky and giving medicine for the betterment, for the quick recovery of my husband, of my Shankar Sindhura. But finally, what actually you are going to do? Then Dr. Raman was not ready to listen anything from Gopal's wife. He said, I will perform an operation for the betterment of my dearest one. So what actually he did, whenever he returned with an assistant and a nurse from his clinic to Gopal's home, immediately he said, I have to perform an operation. But Gopal's wife was not ready. Gopal's wife was not agreed with the proposal which was given by Dr. Raman. That means Gopal's wife gave some contradictory opinion. No, you cannot perform an operation. But Dr. Raman was not ready to listen. Finally, time came, Dr. Raman performed. Like he, at any cost, he was ready to do the operation of his dearest one. Then in the next unit, you can find, finally, operation taken place by Dr. Raman and his team at Gopal's home. Then finally, it was all about 8 in night time. Then suddenly, like Gopal opened his eyes. Then Dr. Raman and his assistant who were present on the very spot, they were in dilemma what will happen to the life of Mr. Gopal. Finally, it was all about 8 o'clock. Gopal opened his eyes slightly in bewilderment, in confusion. He looked at, and at the very meantime, whenever Gopal opened his eyes, the assistant who was present there, he became overjoyed. He was enthusiastically, like that means he was very very happy. So he said to Dr. Raman, the assistant said to Dr. Raman, sir, he will pull through. That means he will get his life again, and now it's a good news for us. But Dr. Raman was not confirmed because he could not believe. In heart case, it is very rare to see, it is very rare to find that a critical patient in the critical situation can get the life again. So finally Dr. Raman could not trust, but the assistant who was there, he became very happy, enthusiastically, overjoyfully he explained about the situation, about the recent scenery. But finally Dr. Raman could not believe. Then it was all about like night time. Gopal opened his eyes again and he asked to drink something. So whenever Gopal broke his silence, whenever Gopal was looking not sound but good, so finally Gopal asked to drink something. Then the people who were present, the surrounding people, Gopal's neighbors, Gopal's relatives, Gopal's wife, Gopal's children who were present on the very spot, except Dr. Raman, all the human beings who were present on the very spot, they became very happy and they happily poured their gratitude, their thankfulness, their hearty congratulations to Dr. Raman. Oh, Dr. Raman, you are not a mere doctor, you are an angel for Mr. Gopal and his family. Only for your tremendous job, only for your tremendous effort, Gopal is feeling very nice and good. But Dr. Raman could not trust. Gopal will pull through again, Gopal will get a quick recovery, Gopal will once again get his past life, past situation, what actually he was in past. So finally after the operation, whenever Gopal opened his eyes and he asked to drink something, Gopal's wife came to Dr. Raman and finally very politely, in a whispering manner, Gopal's wife asked to Dr. Raman, Dr. Raman, please tell me, like he will pull through, now he is fine, he is in danger or out of danger, please tell me, now the situation is very critical, so tell me, now my mister is out of danger or in danger. But Dr. Raman put himself in confusion, he did not break his silence, he said, okay, you just go, I will talk to you later. But Gopal's wife was not ready, because at any cost, on any account, she wanted to know the mystery, what actually the condition of my husband, of like my mister. So then it was very unbearable, it was very painful, it was very tragical moment for Dr. Raman to speak the true fact, because he had never faced such situation, such kind of medical situation in his whole span of doctor's career. So he put himself in dilemma, what actually I should speak to Gopal's wife. Then finally it was time for Dr. Raman to speak to Gopal's wife, please go away, let me do my job, time will come, I will speak all about the details. Now finally Gopal's wife went away and Dr. Raman closed the door. Then in the next unit you can find, whenever Dr. Raman could not speak the true fact, could not speak honestly something to Gopal's wife, then Gopal was listening everything with rapt attention, the conversation between Dr. Raman and between Dr. Raman and his wife. In the next unit you can find, whenever Gopal was laying on his own bed, he was taking rest peacefully and he was not sure about his life. Then whenever he saw Dr. Raman was sitting silently, and he came to know some people were crying ridiculously. Then finally Gopal tried his level best to get up from his bed and wanted to ask to Dr. Raman, please tell me, who actually crying very ridiculously, mysteriously, now tell me the true fact, what actually the situation. Then Dr. Raman came to Gopal, reassured, my dear friend, do not disturb yourself, now time for you to take rest peacefully, to make a sound sleep, please do not disturb yourself on any account, just take rest. But Gopal was not ready to listen anything. He at any cost, on any account, he wanted to know the mystery, what actually the condition, why the people are crying ridiculously, why my own children or wife are crying very ridiculously, what actually the matter, what actually the honest answer, please tell me, Dr. Raman, my dear friend. Actually you can find in this story, Dr. Raman is such kind of character He wanted to bring a good consequence in the life, in the family of Mr. Gopal, but due to especially the eagerness of Gopal's wife and due to the critical scenery, critical situation of his dearest one, he could not speak the true fact in front of the people. Finally, Dr. Raman was very silent. He was thinking about the solution. Then Gopal once again said, Ramu, look at here, Ramu. Dr. Raman became Ramu because their friendship started from their kindergarten days. There was classic understanding. One friend is a renowned doctor, another friend is a very common mere human being, but still the friendship remained constant. There was a classic understanding between the two. Finally, like Gopal said to Dr. Raman, oh Ramu, I know how especially much I can live. Now it's the last stage of my life. Finally, he said in a very confusional manner, am I going? Do not hide it from me. That means this is the last situation of my life. Now it is the exact time. It is the fantastic time for me to bring the deposit box. I want to sign. I want to especially sign my name and my property in the name of my wife and children for the betterment in their future, so that they will not face miserable condition. Then Dr. Raman became very disturbed. What actually I should do? Dr. Raman reassured again and again, do not think about your illness, do not think about your family, do not think about your property. Everything will be fine. So just take rest soundly. Now time for you to think about your health, to maintain a happy sleep, to take a happy or sound sleep on your own sofa or bed. But Doctor, especially Gopal, was not ready to listen. He said to Dr. Raman, please bring out deposit box. I want to sign the will in the name of my wife and children for their betterment in future, so that after my death, my wife and children will not face the miserable condition in coming time. Then it was very, very horrible condition. It was very, very confusional like experience for Dr. Raman to take the decision to do something for the betterment of his dearest one, for the betterment of his dearest family member. So he went to his car and thought about the solution. Then finally it was about to midnight. Once again Gopal requested to Dr. Raman, please do something for my family. Please bring the solution. Please do something, because I want, you are my dearest one, so that you will become the eyewitness, so that I will sign all the property. Because whenever it was all about midnight, it is my last situation of my life, Gopal said. And Gopal one again said, Dr. Raman, you know all about Subhash Singh and his gang. If they would come, especially before doing so, then my family will face the miserable condition. You can find Subhash Singh and his gang. They are the minor characters you can find. And finally, Dr. Raman put himself in confusion, in bewilderment, in dilemma, what actually I should do. If I will speak, yes Gopal, it is very hard task for me to save your life, because it's a hard case. It is very rare to find that the patient can get his life again. Then the thousands of hope of living of Gopal's will be destroyed. So he put himself in confusion, what actually I should do. He was thinking about the mysterious solution of the mysterious moment, of the critical situation of his dearest one and in his doctor's career. Then finally, in a very, like you can find cunning, in a very clever way, he found the solution and came to the spot and finally said to Gopal, oh Gopal, do not worry about your family, do not worry about your property, do not worry about your will, do not worry about your health, do not worry about your settlement of the property and betterment of the family and the miserable condition of your wife and children in future. Be happy, you are going to live, you are absolutely sound, your heart is absolutely sound and perfect, you will be especially a good human being very soon. Then whenever the soothing words, whenever the reassuring words, whenever the pleasurable sweet words came from the lip of Dr. Raman, the words are such as, Doctor, like Gopal, do not worry about the wheel. You are going to live. Your heart is absolutely sound. Do not disturb yourself. Just make a sound sleep. Take rest on your own sofa, bed peacefully. So whenever Dr. Raman said so to Gopal, Gopal, who was thinking about the betterment, about the property, about the like miserable condition of his wife and children in future after his death, he became very happy, because Gopal seemed to say it will not be lie, because it came from the lip of a renowned doctor, and the doctor is none other than one and only my dearest friend, Dr. Raman. So Gopal became very happy. He became very, very happy. It was a joyful moment for him. He, like Gopal, seemed to say to himself, if Dr. Raman is doing so, sure or definitely I will get a quick recovery, because my dear friend Dr. Raman is such a renowned doctor, he cannot speak lie. So now you can find it is time for Gopal to make a sound sleep. Dr. Raman said so, but he was in dilemma, because to save Gopal from the disturbance, because he wanted to save Gopal like from the critical situation, because Dr. Raman wanted to save himself from the confusional like situation. So that he said so. Whenever he said so, Dr. Raman, whenever he said so, Gopal made a sound sleep. He lay down peacefully on his own bed. Then closing the door, Dr. Raman went away. Then finally he said, next Monday in the morning I will come to you to see you. Now time for you to take rest happily. Do not worry about your heart. It is absolutely sound and perfect. You are going to live. Then Dr. Raman went away. That's all about the unity. In the very last unity you can find, whenever it was all about morning time, it was about 10. Dr. Raman once again visited to Gopal's home. He was still in dilemma, what actually the situation will be, what actually the condition of my dearest one. So whenever it was all about 10 in the morning, Dr. Raman reached, and in a long extension away, directly he went to Gopal. Whenever he reached, he saw Gopal was absolutely sound. It was miraculous. It was magical experience for Dr. Raman. And whenever he reached, he saw his dearest one, none other than one and only Mr. Gopal, was laid down. Gopal was taking rest on his own bed peacefully, and he was absolutely fantastic and sound. Physically, he was very perfect and sound. So whenever he said so, whenever the assistant said so, sir, his heart is absolutely sound. Once again, Dr. Raman went to Gopal with his stethoscope on his own hand, and he checked his pulse. It was absolutely sound. Then he became very happy and happily said to Gopal's wife, my dear, it's time for me as a doctor, as your especially younger, I can say, especially the lady of the house, do not worry about your husband. In Odia you can say, my dear, I love and like you best among other. Now your Shankar Sindhu or Mr. is out of danger. He is in not danger. That means after the operation, Dr. Raman could not trust. Like once again, his dearest friend Gopal will get his life again, but due to the operation, Gopal's wife, Gopal's relatives, and Dr. Raman himself, all the people were in dilemma. But after the success of the operation, all the people became very happy. Dr. Raman, he himself became very happy, and finally he said happily to the lady of the house, now Gopal is out of danger. Then all the people became very happy, and now time for Dr. Raman and his assistant to return to his clinic. On the way to the clinic, Dr. Raman said to the assistant, still I do not know what actually the magical magical consequence. Still I am in puzzle. Still I am in dilemma. How Gopal saved his life from the critical heart disease. Finally, the assistant said, sir, he will pull through. Then Dr. Raman said, yes, I guarantee he will pull through for the next 90. That means Gopal will get his life again. Gopal will make a happy life again as a common human being after the operation. So here the message is very clear. Whenever Dr. Raman did the operation, he had no trust on his own hand and word and operation. But whenever he saw the critical situation, whenever he saw the sorrowful scenario of Gopal and his family, so finally he just you can find, he spoke lie thing. Gopal, do not worry about the wheel. These words, Gopal, do not worry about the wheel. You are going to live, and your heart is absolutely sound. Operation, medicine, another doctor, everything was collapsed. But only these few words. You are going to live, do not worry about the will, your heart is absolute sound. These reassuring, soothing words came from the lips of a renowned doctor. Finally, these miraculous words, these reassuring words of a renowned doctor worked miraculously than the operation, than the medicine, so that Gopal, his dearest friend, once again got his life. So the message is, whenever a sick man, whenever the man who suffers from illness, whenever it becomes critical situation, in the very critical situation of a critical patient due to a very dreadful disease, whenever the patient loses his hope once again to get the life, then the medicine, in the case, in the circumstance, the medicine does not work miraculously than the soothing words of a renowned doctor. So R.K. Narayan wants to convey the idea, for a critical patient in a critical situation, the medicine does not work miraculously to get the life again, to get quick recovery. But in the same case, in the same circumstance, the soothing words, the reassuring words, the comfortable words, the happy, pleasurable words, the joyful words, the confidential words of a renowned doctor works miraculously than medicine in the critical situation. That's all about the doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. So you can find who actually the characters, what actually the message, and already I have told you about R.K. Narayan, the most eminent and prominent personality, one of the greatest like a actor, novelist and short story writer in Indian civilization. And if you have time, just go through the tremendous fiction of R.K. Narayan. It's all about the Malgudi days. You can find plenty of short stories are there. Like you can find bundle of short stories are there to read. It's very interesting, very cunning, very typical. Like you can find, it will help you to know what actually the Indian civilization before independence and what actually the common characteristics of a typical Indian. You can find in this story what actually Indianness, what actually we think, we hope, we mean by India. So finally, R.K. Narayan wants to convey the idea in doctor's word, the medicine does not work miraculously in the critical situation of a critical patient. In the same case, in the same circumstances, the soothing words of a renowned doctor works miraculously than medicine to get a quick recovery. That's all about in this video, all about the doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. Please watch, like and share, subscribe my channel. What actually the next video I will come regarding active and passive. Thank you all of you. Stay blessed. Have a good day. God bless you.